Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Now I am dealing with the topic operation on matrix. First one comes the addition or the subtraction of matrix. Two matrix are added or subtracted only if their order is same. For example, given A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23 of order 2 cross 3. Next one, B equal to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23 of order 2 cross 3. Now go on adding the two matrices. A plus B equal to A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A13 plus B13, A21 plus B21, A22 plus B22, A23 plus B23 of order 2 cross 3. This is the addition or the addition matrix. Next, for example, given A equal to 5 minus 5, 3, 1, 4, minus 1, 8. B equal to minus 8, minus 3, minus 1, 2, 0, 9. Find A plus B and A minus B. Now, first we will find the A plus B. 5 plus of minus 8, 3 plus of minus 3, 1 plus of minus 1. 4 plus 2, minus 1 plus 0, 8 plus 9 of order 2 cross 3. That's equal to 5 plus of minus 8, 5 minus 8, that's equal to minus 3. Next 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, 4 plus 2, 6, minus 1 plus 0, minus 1, 8 plus 9, 17 of order 2 cross 3. Next A minus B equal to 5 minus of minus 8. Next 3 minus of minus 3, 1 minus of minus 1, 4 minus 2, minus 1 minus 0, 8 minus 9. That's equal to minus of minus plus, minus of minus plus, 5 plus 8, 3 plus 3, 1 plus 1, 4 minus 2, minus 1 minus 0, 8 minus 9. That's equal to 5 plus 8, 13, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 minus 2, 2, minus 1 minus 0, minus 1, 8 minus 9 minus 1 of order 2 cross 3. Next one comes the multiplication of matrix by scalar. Scalar means some constant, any number. If a matrix and K is a scalar, then the product Ka is another matrix which is obtained by multiplying each element of A by a scalar K, some constant K. Let A equal to Aij of order m cross n be a matrix and K is a scalar. K is a scalar or constant. K into A equal to K into Aij of order m cross n. Ka equal to Kaij of order m cross n. Let A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. K into A equal to K into A means this. A11, A12, A13, A21, A23, A22, A23. Go on multiplying K with the respective places. K into A equal to K into A11, K into A22, K into A33, K into A21, K into A22, K into A23 of order 2 cross 3. For example, A equal to 2, 2 root 3, 5, 1 by 2, minus 7, 8. Find 2A. 2 is constant number. 2A equal to 2 into A means this matrix. 2, 2 root 3, 5, 1 by 2, minus 7, 8. Go on multiplying 2 with the respective numbers. 2 2s are 4. 2 into 2 root 3 equal to 4 root 3. 2 into 5, 10. 2 into 1 by 2, 2 to get cancelled. It will become 1. 1. 2 into minus 7, minus 14. 2 8s are 16 of order 2 cross 3. Like this, the operations of the matrix. Okay. Thank you guys.